Okay, so when you open up the link, you should land on this page, and I'm just going to show you around so you can get the best out of this resource. So on this page, if you can head to this icon, the small icon of the solar system, if you click on that, you're going to get an interactive real-time model of the solar system. So the date and time that I'm recording this video is here, and this is precisely where the planets and objects of our solar system are. So you can zoom in and out of this manually, just using your touchpad. So like you would on an iPhone, you can zoom in to the sun in the centre. You can work your way out and make sure that you're listing your planets in the correct order. You can search for items in the search bar down here. So for example, if we wanted to find Earth, we can zoom to Earth and we get a nice information tab coming up here. You can close that if we want. Okay, so you can learn a little bit more about each part if you want to. To reset, you can go back as we were here. You can also navigate between the inner solar system and the outer solar system. So inner solar system is essentially the sun and the first 4 planets, and the outer solar system will take you to the further reaches where we've got our further out planets. You're also asked to label the Kuiper belt and the asteroid belt, and I've given you a hint for these. So the objects that I've hinted at are that Ceres is an object we would want to look at. It says here Ceres makes up almost a third of the asteroid belt's total mass. So this is telling us that where Ceres is, that is the position of the asteroid belt. So once you've got Ceres, zoom out until Ceres is a little dot, or in fact you can reset to the solar system, find Ceres again, which is here, and you can move in and just have a look at which positions, which planets Ceres is between, and that will tell you that that is where the asteroid belt lies. And your other hint was for the Kuiper belt, was to find Pluto, which used to be classified as a planet. And if you find Pluto and zoom out and again look at Pluto's position relative to the other planets, and this will tell you where the Kuiper belt is, and you have these features on your diagram ready to label. Just going to navigate to the outer solar system to find Pluto. So if we can see here that Pluto, you can look relative to the orbits of the other planets, and you can look at the diagram on your worksheet, and hopefully you can ascertain where the Kuiper belt is, or which feature on your diagram you're going to label as the Kuiper belt. Okay guys, hope that's useful, and just have a nice play around with it. You might be able to find some other quite nice objects that you might want to look at. But other than that, that's how we're using this resource.